This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Import the image and immediately duplicate the background layer so you can revert if needed. Next, select a quick selection tool and make an initial mask around your subject. Don't obsess over small gaps yet. Once you have a rough selection, refine edges using feathering or the Refine Edge brush to capture hair and soft contours. Make sure to switch to a contrasting temporary background color to check for stray pixels before proceeding to cleanup. Now focus on precision. Enter Select and Mask or the equivalent workspace and zoom to 100% to inspect edge detail. Use the Refine tool on hair and textured areas while adjusting smooth, feather, and contrast until edges read natural. Small values often work best. Once satisfied, output to a layer mask and switch to a soft brush to paint away haloing or recover lost strands. Remember to toggle the mask view, and your temporary finish by placing the new background layer underneath your mask subject and scale it to fit the frame. Then match overall color and lighting. Use curves, color balance, and a subtle shadow layer under the subject to ground it. Once matched, flatten or keep layers. Export as PNG if transparency is needed, or JPG at 80 to 90% for web. If edges look off, revisit the mask and refine with a 12px soft brush. If color mismatch persists, use selective color or photo filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.